Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find like videos, photos, and posts on Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This will be a quick and easy tutorial. The first place you're going is from your home page. Tap on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you're going to click on your profile up top, and from here you're going to click the three dots next to edit profile. Now you're going to choose activity log. Now at the top of activity log, you're going to press activity history, and this is where all of your like videos, photos, and posts show up. So you can see posts that you've liked, photos that you've liked, videos that you like, etc. And that's how easy you can find those. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.